There are a lot of crappy and misleading information online when people on YouTube claim they rely entirely on AI and don't do SEO anymore. Many YouTubers and influencers promote the idea that you can simply use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Surfer SEO to generate content and rank without doing any traditional SEO. This is not entirely true because AI generated content still requires optimization to be found by search engines. SEO is not just about content creation, it involves technical SEO, backlink building, site structure, and user experience, none of which AI can fully handle on its own. These people just feeding you with bunch of clickbait and hype in order to get more views on their YouTube channels. YouTube creators often use sensational titles like SEO is dead, use AI instead, and crap like that to grab attention. This is part of their strategy to increase views, but it's often an exaggeration. While AI tools can help speed up content creation and research, they do not eliminate the need for search engine optimization. It's more accurate to say that AI tools can enhance SEO efforts rather than replace them. Even if content is created by AI, it still needs to follow SEO best practices to rank well. For instance, you need to optimize titles, meta descriptions, and headlines for each intent. The content has to be well structured and relevant to user queries. Websites still need technical optimization like improving loading speed and mobile usability. Some SEO tools and plugins have implemented AI into their plugins, such as Rank Math. They have AI tool implemented into their plugin, which can help with generating headline, description, and focus keyword. So that doesn't mean that it is replacing SEO. You still need to do the optimization on your own. So human interaction is necessary in SEO process. AI may help you create content faster, but search engines still rely on traditional signals to determine rankings like keywords, user engagement, backlinks, and on page SEO factors. Google's updates like the helpful content update and Core Web Vitals clearly show that search engines are focused on user experience, quality, and relevancy. These factors are a core part of search engine optimization, and ignoring them is risky. Just because you use AI doesn't mean you can bypass these essential elements. If you rely solely on AI without proper SEO, the content might not address the search intent correctly. It may result in a lower ranking because it lacks human editing and optimization. I've been talking in my books as well. The interaction between human and AI can help with SEO and digital marketing processes. But AI on its own and alone cannot be relied on. You risk being penalized for thin or duplicate content, especially since Google's algorithms are designed to detect low quality auto generated content using AI and generating thousands of faceless videos and generating a lot of money. I don't believe that. People are getting smarter and smarter. When they see AI generated content, they just click away. Even old people, they can recognize what is AI, what is not. The best approach is that you can use AI as a complementary tool for SEO, but using AI alone is not an option. Here is how you can use both effectively. Use AI for content, like research on content, your topic research, and draft generation. Apply SEO techniques like keyword research, on page optimization, and backlink building to enhance visibility. Monitor analytics and user engagement to adjust your SEO strategy over. Saying that SEO is unnecessary because of AI is oversimplified and even misleading. Successful digital marketing strategies integrate both AI tools and SEO techniques to maximize results. I have been talking about it in my books, and I have been warning everybody, especially academic, to not to use solely AI in content creation, thesis writing, and white paper writings, because they they backfires, and it comes a time that all these contents will be penalized and you get into trouble. In a short amount of time, you won't be able to continue with that business. Try to find the right strategy and long term one, because these are short term strategies. People create AI generated content to run AdSense, and then their AdSense will be banned forever. They don't understand it. They think that, yeah, they can get away with it. But Google is AI.